hiatus, ika nga. Tapos pag maliwanag na yung pag-iisip, pwede na ulit maglaro.
Eh, ginawa rin ni Perkins nung araw yan eh. Kita mo naman, he is back with a vengeance.
Two-possession edge at this point.
Johnson to Rivero, they go down low. Nice placement on the part of Richie. Saktong-sakto.
Again, you cannot overemphasize the value of an inside game.
Walang New Zealand, walang Australia dyan. Tayo-tayo lang yan.
May laman, he made.
Perkins with another and one opportunity.
Correct spacing, another good delivery. Outside, inside offense.
He's having a big first quarter here, Coach.
Right, both ways.
But Magnolia playing minus their import, still up by 6. Perkins from deep, punches it through. He's got Gomez de Leano in front. Richie to the sidestep. Out to Perk. Three ball is good. Buffin, double, triple team, loses it. Perkins over to Johnson, puts it up. Kai throws it down. De La Rosa will get them into their set. He's got JL De Los Santos in front. De La Rosa looking to pound it in. Lenny Johnson. Or make that Perkins sa dulo. Duffin will set this one up properly. They want Perkins to pound it in. And Perk's got 19 points. Pwede pang 20.
First field goal since the first half. Itong si Andrada, nobody helping out underneath. Getting to an easy basket.
Ni Perkins yan. Perk on top of Ian. 95-85, you got to start thinking quotient as well for both sides.
Wow!
What a move coming from Perk.
Ngayon, balik-ulit sa kalamahan, napakahirap na abulin at burahin.
But at this point, di pa tapos ang bilangan.